Good morning all students. We were taking second chapter acids, bases and salts, and we have already studied about indicators. What is an indicator? Indicators are the substances which indicate the presence of acids and bases. That indicate the presence of acids and bases. As you know, there are two types of indicators, natural and synthetic indicators, and they change their color in acid and base. So today we can study about another type of indicator. They are called olfactory indicators. They are called olfactory indicators. What is an olfactory indicator? Olfactory indicators are the indicators which changes their smell in acid and base. That changes their smell in acid and base. For example, onion, vanilla essence and clove oil. Examples are onion, vanilla essence and clove oil. So, we can take the example of onion. All of you know that onion has a foul smell. So, how can you use onion as an indicator? This is an activity that is already given in your textbook. Take an onion and chop it into pieces. Keep it in a plastic kit or a plastic container. Put some clean cloth strips into it. Put some clean cloth strips to it. Tie the bag and keep it in the refrigerator overnight, because we should want to keep it for some time. Then take it out and take the cloth strips and smell them. What do you feel? All of you know. You can feel the smell of onion. Then add any acid or base to it, that is to the cloth strips. Any acid or base can be used. You can take any organic acids such as lemon juice, tartaric acid, anything. And you can also take base such as baking soda or something that is already available at home. So, after adding this acid or base, again smell it. Again smell the cloth strips. What do you feel? Onion loses its smell when added with the base. Onion loses its smell when added with the base. It does not change its smell with the acid. That is the observation. It loses its smell when added with the base and does not change its smell with the acid. Clove oil also behave in the same way. So, what did you study? There are different types of indicators. Some changes their color with acid and base. Some changes their smell. This is all about today's class. All of us should study by reading textbook activity. Thank you all.